Understanding jihad and its misconceptions. The term jihad often evokes strong emotions and misconceptions due to its portrayal in the Western media and misunderstanding of its true meaning. Unravelling the true essence and significance of jihad is crucial to combat misinformation and promote a more accurate understanding of this concept within the context of Islam. Jihad is an Arabic word that stems from the root jihada, meaning to strive or to exert effort. In Islamic teachings, jihad encompasses various dimensions, including personal and collective struggles, self-discipline, and striving for righteousness. Depending on the context, jihad can refer to an inward struggle against personal desires or external efforts to defend the faith, uphold justice, and promote social welfare. Here are some types of jihad. Number 1. Jihad of the self, also known as jihad al-nafs. This form of jihad emphasizes the internal struggle against one's own ego, temptations, and sins. It involves self-discipline, spiritual growth, and the quest to align one's actions with Islamic principles. Amir al-Mu'mineen, Ali alayhi salam, has narrated, "When the Prophet, peace be upon him and his progeny, sent an army to fight the enemy, and after returning victoriously, he said to them, 'Welcome to the group that did the minor jihad, but the bigger jihad is still on their shoulder.' They asked, 'What is the bigger jihad?' He replied, 'Jihad of yourself, jihad al-nafs, struggling to control your own desires.' Number 2. Jihad of knowledge, also known as jihad al-ilm. This refers to the constant pursuit of knowledge, seeking understanding and fostering intellectual growth. Muslims are encouraged to seek knowledge in order to navigate their lives and make informed decisions. Number 3. Jihad of the tongue, also known as jihad al-lisan. This form of jihad involves using one's words for positive purposes and spreading peace, justice, and wisdom. It encourages speaking out against injustice with wisdom and compassion. Number 4. Jihad of the hand, also known as jihad al-yad. This type of jihad focuses on charitable acts and using one's resources to help those in need, whether through financial support or physical assistance. It promotes community welfare, compassion, and social justice. Number 5. Jihad of the sword, also known as jihad as-sayf. Often misunderstood, this form of jihad refers to self-defense and the protection of one's faith, life, and property when facing aggression or injustice. It can only be authorized by recognized Islamic authorities under strict conditions of self-defense and adherence to humanitarian principles. Misconceptions and misinterpretations. Unfortunately, jihad has been misused and distorted by extremist groups and misrepresented in popular culture. Some misconceptions include the belief that jihad encourages violence, promotes terrorism, or holy wars. It is crucial to differentiate between religiously sanctioned self-defense and the action of radical individuals or groups who distort the concept. Understanding jihad requires considering the context and teachings of the Quran and the sayings of the prophets, peace be upon him and his progeny. His teachings emphasize peace, mercy, justice, and the importance of self-restraint. Jihad should always be pursued within ethical boundaries, promoting individuals' growth and improving society while upholding the values of peace, tolerance, and respect for others. So what have we learned today? Jihad is an integral concept within Islam, encompassing various forms of the struggle and striving to improve oneself and society. It is important to dispel misconceptions and promote a more accurate understanding of this concept to foster interfaith understanding, peace, and harmony. Emphasizing the true meaning of jihad can contribute to building bridges and countering radical ideologies whilst preserving the core values of Islam. To learn more about Pure Islam, please visit our website www.findtruth.co.uk.